Hi everyone, welcome to our exclusive interview with the incredibly talented artist, Sir Wilney. So today we have the privilege of delving into the creative mind behind the stunning works that have captivated art enthusiasts worldwide. Throughout this interview, we will explore the inspirations, techniques, and motivations that drive Sir Wilney to produce such evocative and thought-provoking pieces. So join us as we uncover the stories and emotions embedded within the art and gain a deeper understanding of the vision and passion that fuels this remarkable artist's work.
Morning, Sir Wilney. Pwede ka na mo ma-interview, bala gamay lang.
Okay.
Sige, mag-start as akuan. Name of the art.
Pangalan sa art kay The Life. Tapos,
Anong life man, sir?
kay murag nag-symbolize man siya sa mga bata nga kan nag-amping sa environment.
Pero alin mo siya nahimo?
Murag nahimo na ako siya mga pandemic times, mga months sa March na.
March of pandemic, gidi ay.
Pandemic.
So, kita mo kauman paghimaan eh.
Akong manghud, murag kami ra duha ato kay mostly lockdown pa biya, so wala tao makagawas-gawas.
Gusto mo na siya kanya, what medium was used? Painting ba? Sculpture? Photograph?
Murag naman siya nagamit mig mga painting, uban sculpture nana.
Photograph na, nga atong forma. So, kuan, is it realistic, abstract, or non-objective?
Murag realistic siya.
Matik na gid na. So, what technique was used and how was it produced?
Technique na gamit kay murag nag-craft mi ato, nag-sculpt tapos ang mga nag-collect big mga materials para gamiton. Amo dayon silang gihinay-hinay step by step kamo sila buhat para may ato siya.
Kani. Ako sa kanin kadipod. What does it depict?
Depicts sorrow and sadness.
Pero no kay ang lungs kay symbolize the sorrow. So kani. What artistic role does it play?
Para murag to inspire man to inspire others para makuha sila sa art kung bitaw mainganyo sila, matry sila nana.
Thank you, sir. Moro to.
Okay.
Salamat kayo. Nice.